Dropshipping and Amazon FBA are two of the most beneficial e-commerce business models. Operating a dropshipping store and selling on Amazon are both extraordinary e-commerce ventures. Both trade models appeal to those who want to make an online, semi-automated, and location-independent wage. Let's discuss these two in detail. So welcome to the Upstep Financial. If you want to build a lot of money, then this channel is for you. Before we continue, please take a moment, go down and smash the like button and subscribe to connect with us. Anyone getting into the e-commerce industry may find it challenging to choose the best business model to pursue. So let's take a look at both dropshipping and FBA to pinpoint their pros, operational setup, and ultimately, profitability in 2021. What is dropshipping? It is a deceptively flexible business model that has plenty of advantages. As a dropshipper, you're selling other people's products. You'll make a deal with the manufacturer regarding how much you'll pay for each product, and then you'll sell those same products to customers for a marked up price. But the best part of dropshipping, you'll never have to buy any inventory. When your customers choose to buy one of your products, the manufacturer is notified and the product ships. Your profit margin is the amount you decided to mark up the price. You won't have to worry about shipping or inventory storage. All you may need to end up doing is creating a fantastic online store that draws people in. You'll also have to worry about the business's marketing side, which is probably the most significant challenge. All in all, it's a business that doesn't take a whole lot of work, time, or initial investment. As a result, you're dealing with a low-risk business that's picture-perfect for newbies to get into. The only stick up your butt will be customer service. Because you're running your very own online store, you'll have to interact with customers. This means handling returns, complaints, or any other concerns your customer might have. Now, what is FBA? Simply known as FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon is a business model that makes it easy to sell products online through the e-commerce giant Amazon. FBA sellers put in a lot of reps, but they enjoy a few key advantages. First of all, they don't have to worry about shipping. All they need to do is get their products to their local Amazon warehouse, and Amazon handles it from there. FBA sellers also benefit from tons of special treatment from within Amazon's store and ranking system. Products sold by FBA sources almost always appear higher on the search results page. They're also more likely to be recommended by Amazon's algorithm, and you'll be able to see your products in the crucially important buy box. Amazon favors these products because they know they can control them to a higher degree. In addition, since Amazon is shipping these products personally, they're relatively confident that they'll arrive on time. Amazon also has the benefit of personally inspecting these items before they're shipped. There's no denying that customers love this feature. Let's have a look at pros of dropshipping 2021. As for the dropshipping versus Amazon FBA wrangle about, the following pros will permit you to check out which business model suits your needs the best. Pros of dropshipping: no upfront inventory costs. Seemingly, the most significant advantage of dropshipping is that entrepreneurs do not need to have their items to get begun. Hence, no initial investment is required to buy things in bulk or set up a warehouse. As a dropshipper, all you have to do is set up an e-commerce website and find suppliers of products you need to sell. When clients place orders, you'll get money from them before you place orders with suppliers. Thus, you will be buying things at discount costs before selling them at retail prices. Furthermore, if clients do not make any orders, you won't need to purchase something from suppliers. No shipping is required. The COVID-19 pandemic appeared to us just how delicate the logistics industry is due to the supply chain challenges. E-commerce businesses found it challenging to fulfill customers' orders. E-commerce dropship businesses do not handle shipments since the errand is cleared out to suppliers. Moreover, they do not spend time packaging the requested items. Instead, their work is to oversee the front end of their websites and guarantee that orders made by clients go through to suppliers. Low initial investment. There are minimal necessities that dropshippers should fulfill to get begun. Moreover, the initial venture is low. One only needs an e-commerce website to make a dropshipping company. Once the website is set up and suppliers endorse you, you can list and sell items online. Setting up an e-commerce website for your dropshipping company should appear like an overwhelming task, more so if you have small know-how in this range. Luckily, you can use services such as BigCommerce, WooCommerce, and Shopify to make an e-commerce site. These services come with ready-made layouts to select from. By utilizing such services, you'll keep your costs low. You can dropship most anything. Conventional e-commerce entrepreneurs' worst nightmare is finding space to store and dispatch expansive things requested by clients. The same cannot be said of dropshippers, since they can offer almost anything. A fast search on Google or eBay for particular things will uncover that a few companies provide all types of items. Many of these companies are dropshippers. As a go-between between suppliers and buyers, you do not handle any of the things you offer. As a result, you'll drop dispatch anything without worrying about logistics and warehouse space issues. In this way, dropshippers can provide anything, be it small things or overwhelming cultivate machinery. Dropshipping is a learning opportunity. Undoubtedly, learning about dropshipping has a learning curve. It takes a lot of time and effort for one to become an expert dropshipper. Even so, running a dropshipping business uncovered you to the different aspects of the e-commerce industry. In addition, you pick up profitable encounters concerning email marketing, Google advertisements, SEO, and website creation. Due to the low starting investment and high benefit potential, operating a dropshipping store can be a step in the correct heading for anyone who needs to venture into online businesses. In addition, you gain essential lessons that can apply to other e-commerce wonders. Friends, I hope you are enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Upstep Financial to stay in the loop with our unique videos. And if we missed something important so far, comment us below. Keep watching! Now let's move towards the pros of Amazon FBA. Solid customer base. Amazon is a monster online retailer with millions of clients. So if your products rank for keywords that customers look for, you'll undoubtedly draw in a steady stream of buyers. In addition, you do not have to persuade customers to believe you, since you'll be depending on Amazon's brand name. You advantage from Amazon's brand picture. Once you sell products through Amazon, you will be banking on the retailer's notoriety and goodwill. Few Amazon buyers realize that it's third-party vendors who list items on Amazon. They trust Amazon and the things they buy from the site. The whole buying handle includes collaboration with Amazon, as it were, without the involvement of third parties. Customer service. When running a dropshipping store, you'll find yourself replying to customers' calls, emails, and phone calls to sell items or follow up on deals. As the middleman between suppliers and clients, you'll have to bargain with returns, discounts, and complaints. With FBA, the retailer handles all client benefits on your behalf. Hence, you won't spend your days replying to emails or following up on customers' complaints. Of course, you'll have a little window as an FBA vendor to talk with your client to follow up and make sure they are satisfied, but that's about it. Now the question arises, which is more profitable, Amazon FBA or dropshipping? Choosing between FBA and dropshipping is difficult because each of these e-commerce business models has its benefits and downsides. Amazon FBA is ideal for you guys if you run a little business and need to leverage Amazon's goodwill and broad client base. In addition, you want organic traffic and you'll have upfront capital for investing in an inventory. Conversely, dropshipping is ideal for you if you're making inroads into the e-commerce business and you're not a manufacturer, but you want to sell different products online. If you have minimal upfront capital, then dropshipping is the best choice. Although Amazon FBA is generally delineated as an e-commerce model that favors those with sufficient money to invest in a stock, that's not entirely true. You can learn the ropes of the e-commerce industry by starting as a dropshipper before crossing over to Amazon FBA to boost your profitability. As a dropshipper, you gain valuable lessons from the e-commerce business. You can utilize these lessons to your advantage once you build sufficient capital and cross over to Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA and dropshipping are two high-opportunity platforms that e-commerce entrepreneurs can use. Business models are beneficial, but that depends on the effort an e-commerce entrepreneur puts into his or her wander. Amazon FBA suits those with a significant amount of cash to invest and reinvest into their business. Alright guys, choose wisely. Please share it with your friends or anyone else who might benefit from this information. Before wrapping up, to make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you want to change, your future takes action.